Morning everyone. I am Jaya Purwar, PGT Economics from Kendriya Vidyalaya Punjab Line Meerut Kent. Want to share my views on the concept of market. As you all know, that market refers to such mechanism that brings the buyers and sellers in close contact with each other. There are four forms of market, that is perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition and oligopoly. Now we will discuss the characteristic of monopoly competition. Meaning, monopoly is a market in which there is a single seller of a commodity. He may be alone or there may be a group of partners or joint stock company or a state. Example, Indian Railway. Features of monopoly. Single seller of a commodity, restriction on the entry of new firms, no close substitute, price discrimination, price maker, downward sloping demand curve. Now we will discuss the characteristic of monopoly one by one. Single seller of a commodity. Mono means single and poly means seller. There is a single producer of a commodity called monopolist. Therefore, the difference between firm and industry disappear. The monopoly firm has full control over the supply of the commodity. No close substitute. The product offered by the monopolist has no close substitute, so the monopoly firm has no fear of competition from new or existing rivals. Example, there is no substitute of railway as a bulk carrier. Barriers, restrictions to entry. Under monopoly, there are barriers to entry in the market or any new firms. Such restriction may be due to legislative region, government license, patent right. A monopoly has exclusive control over technology and raw material needed for production. Possibility of price discrimination. Many times monopolist charges different price from different consumer. It is called price discrimination. Price discrimination refers to the practice by selling or charging different price from different buyers for the same product. For example, a doctor may charge lesser fees from the poor and more fees from the others. Similarly, electricity distribution company might charge different price from domestic and commercial electricity users. Price maker. Since he alone produces the commodity in the market, a monopolist has full control over its price. A monopolist thus is a price maker. He can fix whatever price he wishes to fix for his product. Downward sloping demand curve. There is an inverse relationship between price fixed by the monopolist and quantity sold by the monopoly firm or quantity demanded of monopoly product. Thus, demand curve facing a downward sloping. As it is shown in the diagram, on y-axis price is taken, on x-axis quantity is taken. DM is demand curve for monopoly firm, which shows inverse relationship. Now we will discuss the other forms of market, that is monopolistic competition. It is a mixture of monopoly and perfect competition. Features of monopolistic competition. Large number of buyers and sellers, product differentiation, selling cost, downward sloping demand curve, non-price competition, freedom of entry and exit, lack of perfect knowledge. Large number of buyers and sellers. There are a large number of buyers and sellers of a commodity, but not so large as in perfect competitions. Each firm is supplying a small percentage of total market supply of the product. As a result, a firm is in position to influence price of the product marginally on its own due to its brand value, but not because of big influence. Similarly, no individual buyer can influence the price of the product. Product differentiation. The product of sellers are differentiated but are close substitute of one another. Product differentiation can be real or artificial. Its effect is that seller can differentiate their product. This gives the seller some degree of price making power, which he can exploit. A monopolistic firm faces faces an elastic demand curve. The demand curve is the price line. As you are seeing in this picture, the different types of the substitute of soft drink as Pepsi, Coke, Coca-Cola, etc. Selling cost. A firm under monopolistic competition incurs selling cost, which is the cost of promoting the demand for its product. Each firm has to spend a lot on the advertisement on its product. Downward sloping demand curve. Partial control over the price leads to downward sloping demand curve of the firm. It means quantity of a commodity can be increased at lower price and vice versa. Non-price competition. Non-price competition is a strategy adopted by a firm to increase its market share by promoting its product through advertisement. There are various strategies. Example, a firm product is launched by the celebrities. A firm offer better after sale services. Freedom of entry and exit. Firms are free to enter the industry or leave it. However, new firm may not have absolute freedom to enter into the industry. Product of some firm may be legally patented. New firm cannot produce identical product. Lack of perfect knowledge. Buyers and sellers do not have perfect or complete knowledge of the market condition. Because of product differentiation, it is not possible to have perfect knowledge about the variety of brands in the market. Buyers' preferences are guided by advertising and other selling activities undertaken by the sellers. The another form of market is oligopoly. Oligopoly is a market situation in which an industry has only a few firms mutually dependent for taking decisions about the price and output. Classification of oligopoly. Perfect and imperfect oligopoly. If in an oligopoly market the firm produces homogeneous product, it is perfect oligopoly. If the firm produces differentiated product, it is called imperfect oligopoly. Non-collusive or collusive oligopoly. If the firm compete with each other, it is non-collusive oligopoly. If the firm cooperate with each other in determining price and output, then it is a collusive oligopoly. Duopoly. When there are two firms producing a product, it is duopoly. It is a special case of oligopoly. Features of oligopoly. A small number of big firms. High degree of interdependence. Not possible to determine firm demand curve. Formation of cartel. Entry barriers. Non-price competition. Small number of big firms. Each firm has contributed a large proportion into total market supply of the product. Therefore, it can influence the price of product by its own action and that he can provoke rival firm to react. Mutual interdependence. It is an incentive to develop alternatives to price competition in pursuit of economic profit. Each firm carefully considers and watches how its action will affect its rival and how its rival are likely to react. This makes firms mutually interdependent on each other. For example, if GM Motor reduces the price of its car, Ford Motors may also do the same. Accordingly, while taking an action on price or output, a firm must consider a possible reaction of rival firms in the market. Formation of cartel. With a view to avoid competition, a firm may form a cartel. It is an agreement among the firm to avoid competition. It is a situation of collusive oligopoly. Entry barriers. Barriers to entry limits the threat of competition and facilitate the ability of firms to earn long run economic profit. Because of these barriers, the existing firms are not much worried about the entry of new firm in the market. Demand curve. In an oligopoly, due to high degree of interdependency amongst oligopolistic firms, that we cannot define the demand curve faced by an oligopolist. The curve is more elastic above and less elastic below. This means the response to a price increase is less than to a price decrease. It has king shaped demand curve as you are seeing in this diagram. Non-price competition. Non-price competition is a strategy adopted by a firm to encourage market share by promoting its product through advertisement. Example: a fun product is launched by the celebrities. A firm offers better after sale services or by providing free gift. Price rigidity. In oligopolistic firm, prices are administered. Rival firm takes time to react to the changed price, due to which the price remains rigid in this market. Now, the question for recapitulation. First question is, define monopoly. Answer is, monopoly is the market form in which there is a single seller of a commodity. There are no close substitute of the product. Next question, what will you call that market which has characteristic of monopoly and perfect competition? Answer is monopolistic competition. Next question, what is cartel? Answer is, cartel is the form of collusive agreement among the firm to avoid competition and earn monopoly profit. Next question, in which forms of market there is a product differentiation? Answer is monopolistic competition. Next, what is a patent right? It is an official recognition of originator or innovator of new product. Define oligopoly. Oligopoly is a form of market in which there is a few big firms. Which market has the high degree of interdependence among the firm? Answer is oligopoly. Now, be happy, be safe, and revise your chapter. Thank you.